among teenagers. Sometimes you'll meet someone with manic episode and you'll wonder why they're so chatty.
Perception. So you have the conscious mind, you have the subconscious, and you have the pre-conscious or universal unconsciousness. Now, this area below the conscious mind is where we get into areas like psychodynamics.
Autism, there's always something new. And so, like, do you have any theories on how this manifests in so many kids these days? Because it seems like statistically the numbers have been...
Is augmented, modified, or augmented.
Emotional fluctuation. You have technically applied to any of the former. Bipolar 1 is emotional fluctuation. You have extreme polar, extreme sort of philosophy.
You know, there's green.
A person's external stimuli is augmented.
Technically applied to any of the former. Bipolar 1 is emotional fluctuation. You have extreme polar, extreme sort of philosophy.
You know, there's greens in there as well as those beiges.
Because an A chord, if your A chord consists of 440